What's good, everybody? Hope we are doing well. I have stacked up a couple more books, so my laptop's a bit higher. That's why you can see it on the screen, just to save my neck. All right, guys, I got my Where's Waldo shirt on, and where is Waldo? He is searching for the best coins to bring for you guys. So if that makes you happy, please smash that like button and leave a comment. All right, guys. So we're going to be talking about Reef. There is some extremely massive, juicy news that was released today. You know, I'm trying to bring you the news right as it comes out. I can't with every coin, but I'm bringing it to you with Reef. So I'm going to talk about my price predictions for the middle of April, for the end of April, and for the middle of May. We're going to go over some very basic technical analysis. We are going to do an overview of the absolutely stunning website, and we're going to do some behind the scenes with Jax, and then we're going to go into my predictions. All right, guys, so we can see on the 24-hour we're down 8%, and we're kind of trending downwards. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later, guys. And on the week we're up 6%. On the month we're only up 40%. I mean, I say only because of the other coins, but like back when I was doing stocks. Oh yeah, guys, after this bull run is over, I do kind of specialize in finding gem penny stocks that have 500 to 600 to 700 to 800 upside potential. So please stick with me after the bull run is over. It's important to diversify in the stock market, into crypto, into your relationships, and into your health. All right, guys. So just thought I'd mention that. And on the 1 year, we're only up 43%. So you would think that Reef is due for a breakout, due for an absolute surge, and it is possible, but we'll get into that. So here's Reef. We're going to go over what Reef is. Just one sentence. All right, guys. Reef is a DeFi platform built on Polkadot that aims to deliver cross-chain trading, a yield engine, and a smart liquidity aggregator among the project's offerings. All right, guys, we're going to go straight to the website. I'm going to refresh this so you can see this absolute beautiful animation. Oh, look at that pearl. It's so pretty. Oh, hey, Mr. Fishy. All right, so DeFi made easy. Let's quickly go over the website. Accessing DeFi liquidity across blockchains. Gain smart DeFi exposure with... So you gain smart DeFi exposure with interoperability, well, what a word, across multiple blockchain ecosystem. Reef Chain integrates with DeFi for Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Cosmos, and Binance Smart Chain. So you can see this beautiful display animation here where it shows the Cosmos, shows everything. All right, guys. So introducing Reef Chain. Reef is an EVM compatible chain for DeFi. It's fast, scalable, has long transaction costs, and does no wasteful mining. So they have Solidity, they have Liquidity Bridge, they have Reef Staking, they have community, and they're community governor. Right, guys? So join the ecosystem here. You can get notified with Reef news. You can build on Reef, create a new DeFi app, or port your existing Solidify project to the Reef chain. All right, guys? There will be a link in the description, as always, to the platform. Something I want to, I'll mention it later, actually. Introducing the Reef platform. So Reef is built for DeFi. Reef 20 tokens and NFTs. NFTs, guys, I'm a big believer in NFTs. Not everyone is, but I definitely am. Liquidity bridges, DEX and M and A, what is this? Trade any Reef 20 asset on a decentralized exchanges and hedge against volatility and earn interest on your stable holdings. All right, guys, built with the Polkadot. So built with the Polkadot substrate, Reef Chain features next-gen blockchain technology utilizing nominated proof-of-stake consensus, EVM extensions, on-chain upgradability, and LIBP2B networking, and state-of-art cryptography. All right, guys, so governed by the Reef DeFi community. Nominated proof of stake, upgradability, free fee burn, and governance reward. So join the community, and they have the roadmap, guys. This is very key, very important stuff. So they have Q1, Blockchain Explorer, GitHub, open source. So I'm going to go over to Q2 because it all says that this stuff is already done. So this is Q1 as well. Done. Okay, so we're here over in Q2. They have the testnet 2. It's planned, and the testnet 1 has just been launched. That's the news we're going to get into. Reef Chain browser extension, developer program, Reef debit card, guys. That's going to be massive, expected in Q2. Liquidity, migration incentive program, truffle, brownie, and hard hat integrations. Cool. KSM, Polkadot, Parachain, auction, and Reef liquidity bridge. So quite a lot of stuff happening in Q2, guys. If that debit card gets released in April, that could be massive. All right, guys. So let's get into this news. This video might be a little bit longer. All right, guys. So Reef Finance brings you the highly anticipated Reef Chain testnet Maldives. This is a major milestone as we take the next step towards our mission of making DeFi easy. So we'll quickly look this over, guys. So Reef Finance releases Reef Chain testnet on blockchain for DeFi. So making DeFi easy. Reef Chain is 100% EVM compatible, which means that developers can seamlessly port their existing DeFi dApps from Ethereum to Reef. Reef Chain offers 100 times higher throughput and scalability compared to Ethereum with 1/100th of the transaction cost. The Reef Chain is designed to be self-upgradable, which means that DeFi protocols can schedule critical security updates and performance optimizations with forkless schedule updates. So Reef Chain will also launch the first of its kind cross-chain liquidity bridge that will revolutionize traditional approaches to liquidity aggregation, slated for Q2 of 2021. So maybe that will happen soon, guys. So there will be a link to this article in the bio if you'd like to look this over. This is the news that many people who are invested in Reef have been waiting for. So there it is. All right, guys. So we're gonna search up the search volume for Reef. It's quite high. We have in the month on YouTube where we're behind the scenes with Jax almost 600,000 searches for Reef, and for Reef coin 109. Okay, guys. So this is not accurate because you can see here on the trending videos, it's all like it's all has to do with like the sea and your fish tank. So Reef coin. All right, guys. So it looks like Reef is still under the radar. Almost 200,000 searches, which means it could be time to buy, but I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Something else you can look at that's very good here is this is Google Trends. Shows search volume on Google in between the 7th of February to the 13th, 100% increase. The 14th of March to the 20th of March, a 67% increase in search volume, and the 28th of March, this is not fully calculated yet, to April 3rd. So April 3rd it will be fully calculated. We have a huge increase in search volume. All right, guys, 76%. So let's get into this technical analysis. First, we're on TradingView, very reputable technical analysis website for day traders. So if we look at the 1 day, it says that we're in a buy zone. The moving averages are in a buy. But check this out, guys. If we head over to the 1 week, boom, it knocks down to a strong buy, moving averages in a buy, guys. So this could be a very good sign going forward, and I want to show you why. So we're here, some basic technical analysis. I will make this as easy to understand as possible. All right, guys. So we've had a lot of problems breaking this line of resistance. You see this line here? We haven't been able to break through and been able to shoot up. We keep bouncing down, and here's your green line of support. You see that, guys? So if we can break this resistance, we can shoot up. We also have this orange support line here. So see these red candles? If we hit this orange support line, that could be a very good sign that we might kind of stabilize and then go up and break the resistance, or we may trend downwards. All right, guys. So we're basically hoping that we break this resistance here. If we can see the volume that we are looking for, that's the most important thing, is to see that volume, and then we could break out, right? So maybe it will come from this news. Something else I wanted to shout out was Mr. Killuminati on the Discord. He or she said Reef looks promising at Jax. Maybe you can do a video on it. Thank you, Mr. or Mrs. or Zebra Killuminati. All right, guys. So let's go to my price predictions. Now, this is a hard one to predict because of this resistance, and as you can see on the 24-hour, it's a little bit of a downward trend. However, let's go back to the technical analysis. If we get into this area, this is a very good opportunity to buy, because if we get down, let's say we get down to that 30.28 cents mark, we're mostly going to see a squeeze, and it's most likely going to shoot up. I don't see it going down because we're in a bull market, but we need more volume, guys. So that could happen over the next few days. If we look at the 1 month, we can see that we're up 40%. So my prediction So I'm going to predict by mid-April that we could be 0.045. All right, we're currently almost at 4. I know that's a bit of a low prediction, but with the movement, there hasn't been that much. But we need that increase in volume. If we see that increase in volume, we could absolutely soar. But we're kind of waiting for that breakout with Reef, and this news got released, and we haven't seen much change. It's actually gone down, but we're kind of waiting to squeeze a little bit. So my mid-April prediction is going to be 0.045, and then by the end of April, I think we could be at 0.048 or 49, and then for mid-May, hopefully we'll be at 0.053, 54, maybe 55. We might make it to 5 cents by mid-April. I know you might think like, wow, this prediction is really low. It's only because I need to see that volume, right? Like I'm not seeing that volume. The volume is low. So this is something I'm going to keep on my watch list. But for everyone who's holding Reef, I don't think you should be worried because I don't see it tanking. But however, you're waiting for that breakout. You're waiting for that volume to send it flying, and that might happen soon. You never know, right? And we might shoot up to right up to 5 cents within April. It could happen for sure, but I will say that where are we? That my prediction is going to be 0.045 for the middle of April, and then 0.05 or 0.048 or 49 or 0.05 by the end of April going into May. It's very hard to predict this one for me, but I think there are good things coming for Reef. It seems with what they're doing and with the news being released, where are we for the testnet, the blockchain, we could see some things happening. And that debit card, right? The debit card right here is planned in Q2. That would be massive. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. I'm going to go do some more searching. Where's Waldo? For some juicy coins, as well as updating you guys on the coins we've already talked about. This is going to stay on my watch list for now. This video is getting way too long. I just wanted to let you guys know. Oh, by the way, I will be leaving a link to each and every coin and the exchange that you can buy it on. It is a referral link, so we both receive $10 for crypto.com. It's $25 for Binance. It's some sort of percentage. If you do click those links and they don't work, please let me know so I can replace the link. Sometimes when I copy and paste them, there's like a ... and then the link doesn't work. But let me know. Also, something to remember, guys, is there's a lot of scammers in the comment section that say investing with Jackson. It has a WhatsApp number. Guys, I'm not gonna give you my number. That's completely weird. You can add me on Instagram, but it's not me. And Mr. Dawson, where they talk about, oh, Mr. Dawson, I mean, he sounds like an absolute creep. Don't reply to those. Don't click those. It's a scam. All right, guys, I can't avoid it. It happens on all the finance channels. That's it for this one. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I got some ribs cooking. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love and take care.